Welcome to part 3 of our Canva tutorial for beginners. In this session, we're diving into the essential tools and tricks that will take your Canva designs to the next level. You'll learn how to lock elements to keep your layouts intact, use and group elements for a seamless design, and explore frames and collections to add depth and style to your creations. Plus, we'll show you how to use shapes effectively and rotate elements with ease. Whether you're looking to refine your skills or start from scratch, this tutorial is packed with actionable tips that will inspire your creativity. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss a second. Let's get started. The first topic is how to lock an element in Canva. Let's open an existing project and let's start locking the elements. Locking elements is a simple yet powerful feature in Canva that ensures your design elements stay in place, especially when working with complex layouts. The first step is to select the element you want to lock, whether it's an image, a text box, a shape, or any other item in your canvas. In the top right corner of your Canva workspace, click on the padlock icon. This will lock the element in its current position. Let's do the same thing for this image and the same thing for this text. Locking the elements is especially useful when you're working with layered designs. It prevents you from accidentally moving or editing the elements you've already positioned perfectly. Say, for example, you've created a detailed background for your design, like so. By locking this, you can focus on adding the text and other elements without worrying about shifting the background out of place. So let's put in a background and put that on the main page. There we go. And set this image as a background. Now, let's set the transparency to the lowest. There we go. And then we will lock the background. So at any point in time, if you're moving things in this page, you won't be able to disrupt your current layout. To unlock the image or the element, you can simply right-click on it and click Unlock. Or you can click on this lock button and just click Unlock. Thanks for sticking around. The next topic is how to use elements in Canva. So stay tuned. Welcome back. This topic now teaches us how to use elements in Canva. Elements are the building blocks of your design. This includes shapes, icons, lines, stickers, and many more. For the first step, we would click on the Elements tab on the left-hand menu. You'll see a wide range of options from basic shapes to more complex illustrations. To search for a specific type of element, you can use the search bar at the top. For example, let's type in arrow for a directional icon. Now you can see all of the arrows as a shape, a graphic, or a photo. We can also search for fruit. Scroll through the available options and select either a free or pro element that suits your design needs. Let's select a graphic here. Let's click or drag and drop the element that you want. So let's select this watermelon. And now we have this element on the screen. Let's select photos. And let's select some photo here to use as a background. There we go. Set this image as a background. Let's double click on this element or this background element and push this all the way to the side. There we go. So we can delete this. And now we're left with this design. Once the element is in your canvas, you can resize, rotate, and change its color to fit your design. So to change the color, click on the element. Usually it works for your graphics, and then change the color on the top bar here. So let's say we want a more saturated red. So just click on this and then slide the color picker to the shade of red you want. We can also change this one and slide it. There we go. And lastly, this one. With the text box element, you can change the shape of the text box by dragging one of these sliders. There we go. So let's delete this image here, or this shape. Maybe put that up all the way at the bottom. Have that as a action or call to action button. Remember corner rounding. There we go. Let's delete these ones. We don't need this. Now, let's also add a simple arrow icon to point to a call to action button on your design. Let's type in arrow, and let's select graphics. We can now select any of these. Let's select a free one, just this white arrow. And with this element, you can also flip it if you want. So let's flip it to a horizontal image, and we can also flip vertically. There we go. Let's resize this and change the color. For text boxes, you can also double click on it and add text directly. Let's change the color of the text to add more contrast. And we're done. Canva makes it easy to give you all the freedom you need to make your design stand out and emphasize all the elements that you want. So if you like this, remember to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you're finding these tips helpful. Our next video will discuss how to group elements in Canva, so stay tuned for that. Welcome back to this tutorial. Our next topic is how to group the elements in Canva. Grouping elements in Canva allows you to move, resize, and align multiple elements as a single unit. The first step is to select the elements you want and group them by clicking on them while holding down the Shift key. You can group text boxes, images, icons, and more. Once you've selected the elements, you can right-click on it and click Group, press Ctrl and G, or you can simply click Group here. So for now, we don't want this arrangement, so let's put them all in one single file. Go, go. Because we don't want to move them one by one, right? So let's select all of them and click Group. So now all of these elements are grouped together, so if you want to move them anywhere on the screen, they act as if they're one unit. You can also resize them together if you wish, and they will resize proportionally. Let's also group these texts together. So let's move this subtext here, group it with the headline. Let's group the subheader and another subheader here. There we go. And let's group this call to action button and arrow here. We're good with this arrangement. And let's put that all the way to the side. And for this image set, let's put that all the way to the bottom here. You can also copy and paste the group. So if you right click on the group, so, and paste it on your design, you'll have the same image replicated. So let's put this on the top of the screen and move everything accordingly, and we're done. All right, see how easy it is to group images together and other elements together? Grouping is particularly useful when you're working with complex designs that require multiple elements to stay aligned and proportionate. So by grouping these elements, you can easily move them around the canvas without losing their alignment. So it's a simple but effective way to keep things together in your design. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the video, drop a like and subscribe to LearnXperts for more content. The next topic will explore how to use frames in Canva, so stay tuned for that. Welcome back. In this topic, we will learn how to use frames in Canva. Frames are a great way to create placeholders for images or videos in your design. For the first step, let's go to the Elements tab and scroll down into the Frames section. You'll see various shapes and styles of frames. Let's select See All, or let's click See All. And you can see circles and other more intricate designs for frames. Drag and drop a frame into your canvas. So let's do a basic shape. Let's do this frame. Let's also do a film and photo frame. And let's do a paper frame. And a device frame. It can also be as random as you want, so let's go for a blob frame. There we go. Once the frame is in place, you can upload an image or select one from Canva's library to fill the frame. To add an image, simply search for any image. Let's go to Photos, See All. Select this one, Magic Recommendations. And drag the photos into the frame. Canva will automatically crop and fit the image within the frame. So let's do this on the mobile. Select this as your Polaroid photo. Let's select this for the blob. There we go. And on paper, let's do this one. So I'll put in a background so you can see how the frame works, and it's going to emphasize the frame shapes even more. So I'm going to select a black background here, and you can see the frames play into action. So these images are now enclosed in this frame. You can also adjust the size and the position of the image within the frame to get the perfect look. So for example, in this image, you don't want this white space. So you can double click on it and increase the size of the image and drag this all the way to the center. Let's let go. There we go. So now we have this image. So this frame perfectly covers or masks the edges. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LearnXperts for more content. Welcome back. In this topic, we will learn how to use collections in Canva. Collections allow you to keep your design elements consistent and cohesive by grouping related graphics, photos, or icons. The first step is to go to the Elements tab and look for the collections section. It's all the way at the bottom here. And you'll find groups of elements that are designed to work well together. So let's click collections. And then we'll click a collection that fits to the design theme. So in this collection, let's find this 3D corporate icons. So let's click on this. Now we have images that are related to each other visually, aesthetically, and they all play into making your design look cohesive. Now, in this corporate icon collection, we can choose the set of icons that aligns with our brand and our project. For example, we can select these icons for a clipboard, a checkbox. Let's do that. A star, and some coins. By dragging and dropping these icons from the collection into the canvas, we ensure a uniform look, and we also save time by providing the pre-matched elements that work well together. Imagine we're creating a professional report for a corporate presentation. I'll select this icon here and say put in the word report. So let's dive deeper into how these specific icons, like the clipboard, the checkmark, the star, and the coins, can work together effectively in a marketing report focused on social media performance. This clipboard icon represents your data collection, making it perfect for sections of your report that highlights key metrics, social media engagement, etc. It also sets the tone of professionalism and attention to detail. The checkmark icon is a universal symbol for accomplishment and completion. So this marketing report, it's going to be used to indicate the goals that were met and the milestones that were achieved. This star icon symbolizes excellence and high performance. So you can use it to highlight the top performing posts. The coins icon represents the financial gain or return on investment in a marketing report. It can be used to illustrate the monetary impact of the social media efforts, such as increased revenue from a successful campaign or cost savings through efficient ad spending. By using these icons together, we create a cohesive visual language that not only makes the report more engaging, but also helps convey the key message effectively and clearly. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Learn Experts. Thank you so much for watching. We have another video coming up on how to use shapes in Canva, so stay tuned. Welcome back. This topic will discuss how to use shapes in Canva. Shapes are versatile elements in Canva that can be used to create backgrounds, frames, buttons, and more. First, we go to the Elements tab, and we would select Shapes all the way here at the top. You'll find basic shapes like circles, squares, triangles, and also more complex polygons and custom shapes. Click on a shape and add it to your canvas. Let's select this ribbon, and let's select this complex frame. You can use shapes creatively to enhance your design. For example, we can use a rectangle with rounded corners as a button for a call to action. We can use this ribbon to indicate a discount or a promo. We can also combine multiple shapes to create a custom graphic. So for example, if you want an award, let's select this shape here. Let's increase the size, and this ribbon will go below it. And let's also increase the length. There we go. And let's increase the size. Now you have an award. So you can have an unlimited number of these shape combinations, and Canva helps you achieve that in these easy and simple steps. Thanks so much for watching this quick tutorial on how to use shapes. On the next tutorial, we'll discuss how to rotate the elements on Canva. All right, welcome back to this Canva tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to rotate elements in Canva. Rotating elements in Canva is quick and easy, and it adds a dynamic angle and movement to the design. So to rotate an element, first click on the element, and you'll see a rotate handle here. Click and drag the handle to rotate the element to the desired angle. The rotation degree will be displayed, allowing for precise adjustments. So if you want a 90 degree, a negative 90 degree, a negative 130 degree, you can see that in real time. So let's do this for the award here. Normally it has 2 ribbons to the end of it, but you won't be able to achieve that by having 2 ribbons placed in the same angle. So let's rotate this one to the side, let's say 18 degrees, and let's rotate this to the side to negative 13 degrees. There we go. It's now a custom shape for you. So let's put this all the way to the back. And now we have this ribbon. Remember how to group the elements on Canva? So you can do that here. Click group. And now this image is ready to use. We can also rotate the whole group by clicking on this rotation handle. And there we go. So we've rotated the shapes and the text as a group. So thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial on rotating elements in Canva. I hope you find these tips helpful and you're feeling more confident in your design skills. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to LearnXperts. Stay tuned for more exciting Canva tutorials coming your way. See you next time. Bye.